Hey, what's going on, y'all? Check it out. How y'all doing? Ain't seen you in a minute. You know, I was down in the ATL doing my thing, hooking up this crib. We got the windows in. We got all the showers hooked back up. Do that, put the shower pans in, bro. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know where people get their contractors from, but you know, when we come out and we fix what they done messed up, it actually costs you more. So make sure when y'all do things that at least have a little bit of knowledge about how the process should go. But anyway, we gonna go ahead and hook up this cornbread. Now what we doing is we doing a buttermilk honey cornbread. Meatless Monday, y'all. In full effect. And we gonna have corn in our cornbread. And it's gonna be so tasty, y'all. So tasty. We got our cornmeal, our honey, our buttermilk. We got our egg. This gonna be enough for me and wifey. Now, if this got more than 2 people, you might want to double the recipe of what I'm telling you today. But other than that, you know what time it is. Let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, y'all, we gonna start off with a cup of cornmeal. Self-rising, of course, self-rising. 2 tablespoons of honey. Now this honey, it's gonna add like a little kiss of sweetness. Don't expect a whole lot, y'all. Don't expect a whole lot. This ain't sugar. Now after we add in our honey, we gonna go ahead and add in our corn kernels. Now I'm using frozen corn. And that's a 1/2 cup. And then we gonna add 1 egg. Now we have a quart of buttermilk. Now, when you're talking about adding your liquids to this, what you really want to do is basically going to be around about a 1/2 cup. But what you really want to do is just get it to a certain consistency. When your corn bread mix looks like this, hey, this is what you want, y'all. This is what you want. You're gonna get it light, fluffy, ain't gonna be too dry. You want your mix to look like this. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 425. So of course, y'all, I gotta use that trusty cast iron pan. Now this here is a 6-inch pan, which is perfect for how much cornbread we're making. Just enough for me and wife. Just enough for me and wife. Now after we get our cornbread mix inside this pan, we gonna add in 3 tablespoons of butter right on top, y'all. I ain't say this was healthy, y'all. I said it was meatless. And then we gonna add in a drizzle of honey right over the top, and we gonna get into that oven. Now after approximately about 40 minutes, our cornbread is ready. And oh my goodness, look how that butter just melted right down into that cornbread. You can tell where each last one of those tablespoons of butter were. And check it out, y'all. This is our cornbread done, plated up, ready for me to give a taste. And of course, I had to put me a drizzle of honey on top. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.